Hello students, today we will discuss exercise 3 question answers of chapter 4. It is in page number 47. Don't forget to download the PDF file for the answers of all the exercises of chapter 4 from your school app and note it down in your computer copy. Now all of you take out your book, let's start. Exercise 3. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Write down the steps to perform a simple calculation on the calculator. So, see the answer. The steps to perform a simple calculation on the calculator are: first step is to look for the number pad and 4 basic operations: multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. This is the asterisk symbol which is used for multiplication in calculator. And the second step is press the necessary keystrokes and then press the equal to sign. For example, 4 by 2 equal to. The calculator should show the answer we expect, 2. So, these two steps of performing a simple calculation means, first of all we will look for the number pad. This is the number pad C in the calculator: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. And the 4 basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. See, they are here. And the next step is to press the necessary keystrokes. Means the calculation that we want, we will do that. For example, 4 by 2. Then we will press the equal to sign here, this one. See, you can see the result here, 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So, these are the two steps to perform a simple calculation on calculator. Now, question number 2. Write down the steps to add numbers on the calculator. So, the answer will be, see here, the steps to add numbers on the calculator are: first step, enter the first number using keypad of the calculator. Second step, press plus button. Third step, enter the next number. Fourth step, repeat the above two steps, point number 2 and point number 3. If there are more than 2 numbers, then the last step is press the equal to button. So, first step is to enter the first number. So, suppose the first number is 45. Second step is to press plus button. It is here, see. And the third step is to enter the second number. So, suppose the next number is 20. Then, the next step is to repeat the above two steps. Means, if we have more than 2 numbers to add, then we will again press this plus button here. Then we will enter the next number. Suppose the next number is 10. After entering all the numbers, in the last we will press equal to button. We will get the sum of all the numbers entered on the calculator in this way. Now, let's see the next question. Question number 3. Write down the steps to subtract numbers on the calculator. See, this question number 2, question number 3, number 4 and 5 are similar. It is asking for the steps for adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing numbers on the calculator. So, the answer of these questions are also similar. See, number 3, steps to subtract numbers on the calculator. The first step is same, enter the first number using keypad of the calculator. In the second step, instead of pressing plus button, this time we will press minus button because we are subtracting numbers this time. Then The third step is same, enter the next number. Fourth step is also same, repeat the above two steps, point number 2 and 3 if there are more than two numbers. And the last point number 5 is also same, press the equal to button. So the only thing we have changed here is this minus button instead of plus button. In the same way, the answer of question number 4, all the steps are same, but the only change is we will press asterisk button in the second step instead of plus and minus button. For multiplying numbers, we will use this asterisk button instead of plus and minus button. And the answer of question number 5 is also similar. See, all the steps are same, just we have changed here is this slash button. For division on the calculator, we use this slash button. You can find the slash button and asterisk button on the keyboard here. See, these two buttons above the minus button. These two buttons are used for multiplication and division. So only 5 questions were there in this exercise. We have discussed all these 5 questions. We have already discussed exercise 4 true false, exercise 2 fill in the blanks, and this exercise 1 choose the correct option in the previous class. I have created a PDF file for the answers of all the exercises of chapter 4. See this PDF file I have created for you all. I will share the link of this file in the school app. Download it using that link and note down all the exercises in your computer copy. So we have completed this chapter now, chapter 4 calculator. We have discussed some very interesting topics in this chapter, like the memory calculation part given in page number 44, this memory calculation. The use of all these memory related buttons we have discussed using examples. So students, practice at your home as much as you can, because self practice is very necessary in computer to understand any topic in better way. We will start the new chapter, chapter number 5 Microsoft Excel, in the next class. Thank you.